Hey, man. Hey, we got a Club Car Tempo here, gas. I know everybody wants an electric video, but so far we haven't come across one. When the season picks up, I'll post some videos about electric. But the problem is when you, anytime we're doing a service, man, we check the speed on it to make sure it ain't hitting, make sure they're hitting the RPM limiter. So what we're gonna do now, we put in maintenance, put it in neutral. Listen, you can hear the solenoid click. All right, then what I'm gonna do, I got a little snap on here. 24 volt test light with a meter on there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my red clamp on the main positive. I'm gonna put my red lead on the side that comes off the battery. Well, the first thing we can do is check battery voltage. You can see, let's see. Got 12.4, I'm gonna hit the gas. All right, solenoid clicks, car don't run. All right, so then I'm gonna take it down here to the other side of this wire where it runs down to the solenoid to make sure that I'm getting voltage down there. And you can see I got 12.4 volts. And then I'm gonna put it on this side of the solenoid, because what it does, when you hit the gas, voltage goes across this post to this post. All right, we're gonna hit the gas. And you can see I have no voltage there. All right, so what you could do if you wanted to, you could take a wire and jump from, grab me a wrench. You could take a wire and jump from there to there and see if it runs. Because even though it's clicking, does not mean it's good. So I'm gonna take a wrench now and jump the two big posts. Show here. All right, I'm gonna take this here. I'm gonna jump across the two big posts. So much damn rust on there. Give me a bigger wrench. Now we're talking. All right. Now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna jump across the two big posts. You can see now the car brings up. And all right, I get the gas, it runs. All right. There's a gas solenoid, man. Just because it clicks does not mean it's good. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post more videos.